Okay, test on integers. First one, -3 plus 4. And again, you don't have to work that out. If you know the answer, just slap it in there. Okay? Somebody yesterday, was it y'all that was so shocked that I wasn't making you work something out? Maybe it was 4th grade. And I said, welcome to 7th grade. You graduated. Okay? I expect you to just know that. The next one is -6 plus -11. Are the signs the same or different? You need to sing the song in your head. Sing the song in your head. And you have fingers for a reason. The next one is -18 minus 9. Are the signs the same or different? What? They're different? I mean, I have a question. So if I write this, and then over here I write, are the signs the same or different?
Same.
They're the same. So why are they different when I put them together? They're not. Remember, there's no such thing as minus positive. That is -18 minus 9. Sing the song in your head if you need to. You can talk. Yes. Take care of you. Get notebook paper. I just don't want you answering questions. The next one, we ready? I didn't hear any objections, so we're moving on. This one should look familiar. In Buffalo, New York, the temperature was -14 degrees in the morning. If the temperature dropped 7 degrees, what is the temperature now? Where'd you see that before? You ever seen that question before?
Yeah.
Yep, it was on your assignment. The exact same question. What does dropped mean? What? Minus. Or negative means the same thing. And if you can do it in your head and you remember the answer, just put it in there. Ready? I heard a yes, I haven't heard any no's, so we're going to move on. Did y'all think you would be able to do this test without a piece of paper? I mean, I'm nice, I'm not that nice. Mount Everest, the highest elevation in Asia, is 29,028 feet above sea level. The Dead Sea, the lowest elevation, is 1,312 feet below sea level. What is the difference between these two elevations? One is above sea level. You know, I said above, weird, right? Because I want you to know. And then I said below, weird. Why did I say that? I want you to pay attention. This is like my swimming pool. Below the Dead Sea, you're going down to touch the drain. Except that's really far. Ready? If you're not ready, you have to speak up and just tell me, and I'll wait. Are we ready?
No.
Okay, I'll wait. I'm going to suggest that you do not move on without me. But sometimes that doesn't work. Okay, the next one. If you're not done with the Mount Everest one, then you can just come back to it, okay? On Tuesday, you need to listen. On Tuesday, the mailman delivers 2 checks for $54 each and a bill for $38. If you had a starting balance of $25, what is the ending balance? If you get a check, what is that mathematically? Adding. How many checks did you get? 2. And how much are they worth each? $54. If you get a bill, what is that mathematically? Minus. And then you start at 25. You ready to move on? Okay. Why are you using that keyboard like that? I'm just curious. Okay. Okay. Next one. Oops. If it is if it is negative 25 degrees Fahrenheit in Rantoul and it is 75 degrees Fahrenheit in Honolulu, what is the temperature difference between the two cities? You're going from positive 75 all the way through 0 to negative 25. Yes, it's that easy. Don't make it hard. Yes, sir.
We won't see our score figures.
You won't see your score until tomorrow.
Do we just expect a little bit?
You better made it 100 if you went ahead of me.
Hope I did.
Will Baxter. Better be 100. Already submitted. Okay, the next ones are multiplying and dividing. What are the rules when you multiply and divide?
Same sign.
Same sign what?
Add.
Okay, first of all, the next ones are multiplying and dividing. What are the rules when multiplying and dividing?
Same signs are positive, opposite signs are negative.
Excellent, Faith. Same signs are positive, different signs are negative. Okay? So this is not the song, this is just remembering. The signs are the same, the answer is positive. The signs are different, the answer is negative. First one says negative 4 times negative 7. The next one says 9 times negative 3. Then negative 28 divided by 7. Then negative 18 divided by 3. And negative 5 times 5. And again, you do not have to work all these out. I expect you to know them. You're not going to upset me if you don't work them out. Just put them in there. This is not about learning to multiply and divide. This is about learning what's negative and what's positive. Okay, if you're not done, you can revisit them. I'm gonna go on with the sprinkler. So go to the sprinkler one, even if you're not done. You will have time when I finish reading to revisit any questions, ask any questions you want. Okay, we want you to be successful. So is everybody on the sprinkler with me? A sprinkler was negative 8 feet below ground level. I know that's kind of saying it twice, but I just want you to know it's a negative. Mr. Shinky has a machine that digs negative 2 feet at a time. How many digs does he need to make in order to reach the sprinkler? What do you think the operation is? Yeah, he's going, the sprinkler is 8 feet below, negative 8. Can't say divide, that's not it. It's, you know what, it's okay. What do you think it is now if I said no, that's not it? So we're going negative 8, we're going to multiply negative 2 to find how many digs does he need to make in order to reach the sprinkler. Do you think you can have a negative dig, like can you undig? No. The next one, Lisa plays a video game in which she loses points. She loses 3 points 2 times. If you lose points, what is that mathematically? Negative. Negative 3 points 2 times. What's her score? Better make 100. Poncho. You will find if you stay with me, I'll reward those who do that. I'll reward them well. All right, next one. Louisa's savings changed by negative $9 each time she goes bowling. In all, it changed by negative $99 during the summer. How many times did she go bowling in the summer? What operation do you think it is? Okay, good, yes. And they're both negative, right? Okay, just make sure everybody knows that. Divide. Y'all know the answer to that. You don't think you do. Look at the answer choices. They're both negative. Don't do more work than you have to. Okay, we're all about efficiency here. They're both negative, and you're dividing. The next one is 24 divided by negative 3. You ready for Alyssa?
Yes.
Did somebody say no? Are you ready now? Okay, y'all need to all be paying attention to Elisa here. Elisa withdrew $20 at a time from her bank account and withdrew a total of $140. Francis withdrew $45 at a time from his bank account and withdrew a total of $270. Who made the greater number of withdrawals? Would anyone like to share what you think you should do? No. Okay. Emily,
Divide.
divide what?
Divide how much each of them cost by how much they
Perfect. You gotta divide Alyssa and Francis, and then clearly if you read the answer choices, which do that, use them, you gotta figure out who had more withdrawals and by how much. And I'm gonna go on and read the last three here. Even if you're not done, you can revisit it. I just wanna get them read. Why aren't you turned around talking, Javier? That means you're cheating on the test. You're talking during the test. Nine plus negative 17. Same or different?
Different.
7 minus minus 9. Negative 14 minus minus 9. You have plenty of time to finish this. You do not have to submit it right now.